Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 4th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro dollar did keep on pushing down this afternoon. It definitely slowed down quite a bit. We are sitting at the 100% Fibonacci extension from the daily time frame. We also pushed a little bit beyond the 78% Fibonacci retracement, which, price can definitely overshoot these fib levels a little bit and still pull back and turn. Now, for me personally, I am not even thinking about going long unless we get a break of structure on the 1 hour time frame, which would be right here. So anything I do see to the upside, I am definitely looking at as a possible opportunity to go short again, at least until we get some evidence otherwise. Now, if it goes up and breaks structure, great. We'll get a pullback and then we'll go long on the pullback. Otherwise, like I said, three waves up, impulsive down, continuing to look for shorts until the market tells us otherwise. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.